Hello guys, welcome to YBK Hub and this is Minapani Ningombam and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the new updates. So guys, are you someone who is dealing with some of your product, or are you someone who is teaching some particular subject to the student, or are you someone who want to do some survey, or are you someone who want to collect some details of the users from the social network? If your user is there, then today's topic is going to be very helpful for you. And the today topic name is the Google Form. Google Form is someone who is very frequently used by many companies and by many peoples around the world. And from using this free service of the Google, you can do a lot of beneficial thing and a lot of good work. And instead of taking the details of manually, you can use Google Form and collect your details in a very structured and the convenient way. So let me show you how you can do. First of all, go to your Google Drive. Even sometimes it should be shown here, but it is not shown. Then first go to the Google Drive. Then after that, click to the new. Then go to the more. Inside the more, you will say Google Form, and in the Google Form, click to this and the icon, and you will have two way of creating your Google Form. One is from the blank and one is from your template. I'm going to open both things so that I can show you the difference between of these two. Yeah, so I have opened from the template as well as from the blank. And you know what, the blank can also be selected from the template gallery only. So let me explain you some of the template available already there. This is a predefined template given to you for freely use. You know, if you want to collect some contact information for your users or for your customer or from your client, you can use this format, contact informations. And if you want to invite someone for the party invitation, you can do this. And it is signed up. These are some of the predefined, which is very frequently used by many people. Contact information, find the time, then the party invitation, even poll you can do through this also. Then the even feedback, order form can be done, job applications, time of request. This is a work request, a lot is here. And if you're doing quiz competitions of the tactile format and with multiple choice type of quiz competition, you know what, you can even make your questions using Google Form and copy the link and post the link to your social media network and ask the user to fill the answer through Google Form, and they will surely fill, and that's how you can very easily manage everything instead of collecting your informations from different social media or doing manually one by one. That's how your work will be very easy, and it will be super fast, and not only that, very convenient, and you don't need to worry of the other things. You don't need to worry of the collecting from different social media you're running with. So this is the format, and let me check one format, that is the contact informations. Okay, so inside this template, there's some beautifications, like the banner is given like this, and the contact information, you can give the description. They already set everything that may be needed by you. So in the contact information, suppose I want to get the contact information for all the students who want to study, all the students who want to study C-sharp language, C-sharp language. Okay, so this is a simple example. That's how I used to I actually use Google Form most often to collect the information for the student. Then the name, short name. If you for the name, I select the short answer. It's only the short answer. Or there are so many others form of the short answer paragraph. Then multiple choice, checkbox, drop down. You can set like this. Then the email is there. Yeah, email I want, address I don't want, address of them. So I can delete this because I don't need the address of there. I want only name, email, and the phone number, right? So after that, comment also I don't want. So from there you can delete. And if you want to put something else, then you can put language. You can ask the preferred language, in which language they want to learn, English or Hindi. Right? English, then the Hindi. So that's how, and this particular field is, if you want the user or the student field for compulsion, then you have to make it require. So from here, drag this, then like require, then it will show you. Right, so this is contact informations for, I can even modify this for all student of C-sharp. For all students, C-sharp student or C-sharp student. Yeah. So like that, you can modify from the template very easily. You don't even need to spend more time for doing from the blank. Okay, I will also show you how you can do from the blank too. So this is very simple, right? And the second step is, after setting all your field that you want to get from the users, then click to the send. Yeah, before sending, if you want to view how the user will see the form, then you can go to this icon, icon, then click to here, view. Then it will open a new tab to the browsers, showing how it will look like. So this is how it's actually look like, and this is content for all the students who study C-sharp language. And here asterisk required, that means in whatever pointing to the in red color asterisk, name is compulsory to give, email is compulsory to give, phone number is optional because there is no any asterisk. So, and the language is compulsory. After that, it will be so something like that. And then if you are okay with the format and the informations, then you can click to the next. After that, directly you can invite if you have all the email ID, but you know we don't have the email ID, so we want to get it from the Facebook or the any other social media. Then what you have to do is click to this link, then copy. After that, go to your social media and in the post sections, copy this link, and whatever you want to edit in the post, whatever you want to write the text is, and copy this particular link and the post. So whoever student want to get into this particular C-sharp language sessions, they will surely fill up the form. So I'm going to show you how to fill up the form also. This is a form, and then yeah, my name is Vina Pani, and welcome to Vina, gmail.com. Right, after that phone number is optional, then the English. I'm not going to give the phone number, then submit. Right, then after submit, it will show something like this. Thank you for submitting your contact info. That's all. After that, go to your go to your Google Drive form and see there is a response tab. Inside this, you will see the number of the response. Not right now, the response is only one, then it will be only one. And if another one people is if someone is submit the same form, then it will increase the count and the name of the form is there. And the here after that, what you can see is this is summary, and if you want to see questions wise, then you can see like this, and the name is there, and you can see email and the phone number and the language. But you know, there will be so many people will submit this. You don't need to go like this, and if you want to see particular individual, you can see like that. But the best part of it is that you can create a spreadsheet, or you can have a lot of section here. Even you can download the responses into the format of the .csv, and you can print also, and you can even delete all the responses. These are the other features available inside it. So I want to show you how to create a spreadsheet. This is the best part, because instead of doing manually and the copying from the comment box and the inserting to your Excel or other to other places, it's better to create directly from it. Create. So it will create a spreadsheet like this with the same name of your Google form, and even it will give the time, name, email, phone number, language, whatever you have guessed. So there will be so many. If there is 100 of students are there, then it will show in the format, in the instance of structure format. So this is a really pretty cool service provided by the Google, that too in free of cost. So one should take the advantage of this and use. So, but the problem is that many people do not know about this, and even if some people even heard about the Google form, but they don't know how to operate them. That's why I'm making this video for all of you. This is the one that is making from the template. Let me quickly show you how you can make it from the blank. Okay, let me go from here again, click to the new, then go to the more. After that, Google form, then click to blank, right? So in the blank, you will get nothing like from the template format. Only the blank form will be there, and in the form, then you can create get details of Angular student, right? Then it will give like this, and I want here name, and I want sort, and it's required. And if I want to create a new question, then click to this plus sign. After that, I want email ID of the student. So I want email also, sort answer, yeah. And it's required. Again, I want one more questions, that is phone number. And this is optional. I don't need, even if the student is not provided, that will be okay. Then language. Inside the language, I want Hindi, and I want English too. And this should be required. Simple. And if you want to even insert some image, you can do from here. Even video also can be inserted, and this section also can be inserted. Suppose if you're going to do a big survey of more than 30 to 40 questions, you can make section of different category. Then even if you want to put some video of for the questions, you can put it from here by clicking and selecting from your computer, right? Or even you can get from the YouTube and URL like this, right? So as of now, I don't need, but you can do a lot of things. So I have done with this, and I'm going to preview it again. So this is somehow it will look like. Okay, look fine, I'm going to click to send again and copy the link and copy here. And if you're someone who is working in the website, or if you want to embed this particular form inside your website, then you can go to this sign. This sign is actually particularly for the coding sign. So you can copy from here too. But if you're someone who is not a developer, you don't know how to impact, and you can use this particular link and use. This is very simple. You don't need to go all the other stuff. Just copy it and post to the um, Facebook or the Twitter, Insta, wherever you want to paste a post, and then get the details of the older student or the older candidate or older client details or the feedback, whatever you want, any kind of work you can do with this. School, this is super cool, and I recommend you to use Google Form, Google Drive, and all the features that I have also uploaded. These are very, very good features provided by the Google. You should use it first. At the first time, it may be hesitate. You may have some hesitation, but once you do it, then it's very easy. So thank you very much, and I hope this will be very useful video for you. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.